Okay, hey everyone, and welcome to a brand new Class 66 Rocks Stobart review. Now, in this review, we're carrying on with the Stobart Super League collection. Now, we've got two more trucks to take a look at in this collection, and then we will be moving on to the world of Stobart reviews. My apologies for the lack of videos lately. My nan hasn't been well at all in the care home that she's at. 2 weeks ago, we received a phone call at 10 o'clock at night, just as I got home from work, to say she really could not breathe at all, and they had to get oxygen to her quickly and also call the ambulance crew out. Now, over the past couple of days, they have taken her off the oxygen as she's now able to breathe on her own, but also she's not been eating or drinking either for the past 3 to 4 days. So when myself and my family went to visit the other day, and we stayed for about 2 hours, and during that time my nan just slept through the visit, so she didn't really talk to us at all. So the care home are getting some antibiotics into her this week. I think it was something like yesterday or today, so hopefully these antibiotics will start kicking in and help to improve her condition, because when the ambulance crew came, they said she'd got a really bad chest infection, and that was why she was like she was. So hopefully she'll start picking up again, but we just have to take it day by day. So anyway, apologies about the videos, so let's move on to today's review then. So as we can see today, we've got another Scania Highline in the Stobart Super League series. So if we take a look at the top of the box, we can see here it is Widnes Vikings, and we have the logo just there. And the item code is SHL14FR, Widnes Vikings, and it's a Scania Highline. As you can see, we've got the Stobart cab wrap design printed very neatly around the cardboard packaging. And we've got the Eddie Stobart wording just there. Now we have got the Stobart Rugby Super League logo just here. And we've also got the StobartGroup.com website on the side. Apologies about the glare. I've set my camcorder up in the best possible place to try and prevent glare from the windows, because obviously we've got the lights on as well. So you have to just keep moving around the living room trying to find a good angle as to not cause too much glare from the windows and from the casing obviously on the truck. So taking a look at the bottom of the box, so as you can see, it's produced by Oxford Diecast, as you can see just there. And if we move across now, again we've got the code and the description, and also on the back of the box, as per all the Stobart Rugby Super League collection reviews, you can see each of the trucks that's part of the collection. So today we are looking at number 14. So as mentioned, we have only got one more truck to look at in this series. Okay, so let's take the cardboard sleeve off and take a look at the truck. Okay, so as we can see, it's presented in a very nice display case. It's got a stand and a plastic lid to protect it. It's not too light, it's not too heavy, so it's a bit in between really. So let's take it off and take a closer look at the model. Okay, so as we can see here, we've got the Scania Highline with the trailer. So let's start with the front, so we'll just zoom in like so. Apologies if you can hear a bird in the background, that's my cockatiel in the other room. He does like daylight, he likes it when other birds are outside in the garden, so he sits chirping to them. Okay, so taking a look at the top of the cab now, as you can see we've got the word Stobart going across the top of the foil area just there. Moving down on the left and right hand sides, we've got the blind spot mirrors and the cab mirrors. Moving down, you can see we've got the Stobart cab wrap design printed very neatly on the front of the grille, and we also have the Scania logo just there in silver, just under the windscreen, and the name, which is Lucy Hannah. So if I just try and zoom in just a bit more, this truck is a Scania R420, as you can see by that little logo just to the left there on the bottom of the grille. So I'll just zoom out again as to not cause bad focus. Okay, so moving to the bumper area, obviously you can see we've got the headlights on the left and right hand sides as well as the indicators, and the number plate which is PN12VFZ. So moving the model round to the side now, as you can see it's a 6-wheel tracked unit, hence the 3 wheels on either side. So on the top of the cab above the passenger door you can see we've got the StobartGroup.com website. Moving down we've got the silver Stobart S arrow as well as the Stobart cab wrap design, which is printed very neatly on the side of the cab door as you can see. And on the bottom there you can see we've got the fleet number H6460 and again the name Lucy Hannah. So moving on to the trailer now. So as you can see it's a tri-axle trailer, hence the 3 wheels on either side. So on the front here you can see we've got the fridge unit, with it being a temperature controlled trailer. Taking a look at the side of the trailer you can see we've got the Eddie Stobart wording in green. Now that's in the background there as you can see, but in front, as per all the Super League collections, we've got the rugby player who's stretching over the length of the side of the trailer with the rugby ball. So it's quite good how it's been done actually. So obviously the Eddie Stobart wording may have been put on first when it was designed, and then obviously the rugby player placed over the top. As you can see we've got the Stobart Superleague.co.uk website, the Sky Sports HD website logo, the Friday Nights wording and the Heinz big Super logo on the back just there. So turning the model round to the back now. So as you can see on the back we've got the trailer doors, and as you can see it says Sport should be following your local team, Stobart Super Rugby League, and we've got the Widnes Vikings.co.uk website as well as the Sky Sports HD logo and the words Friday Nights. And on the bottom left hand sides of the doors you can see we've got the trailer number which is FMT 5836. Moving down you can see again we've got the number plate PN12VFZ, as well as the indicators and brake lights on the left and right hand sides, as well as some warning panels or reflective panels, whichever you wish to call them. So turning the model round to the other side now. So again, as you can see we have the rugby player stretching along the length of the trailer just in front of the Eddie Stobart wording. Again we've got the Heinz Big Soup logo, the Stobart Superleague.co.uk logo, Sky Sports HD logo, and again the word Friday Nights. So moving to the driver's side of the cab now. So again, as mentioned, we've got the StobartGroup.com website on the top just there. We've got the Stobart silver S arrow just there, as well as the green cab wrap design, which is printed very neatly on the side of the driver's door as seen. And again on the bottom there we have the name Lucy Hannah and the fleet number H6460. So that is it basically. The Oxford Diecast Scania Highline in the Stobart Rugby Super League livery.